Welcome to this video on Chemistry Knowledge Organizer, focusing on atomic structure. This guide covers elements, compounds, reactions, separation, and electron configuration to help you master the foundations of chemistry. An element contains only one type of atom, represented by a symbol on the periodic table. The table is organized into groups, vertical columns, and periods, horizontal rows. A compound is formed when two or more elements are chemically bonded together, made during chemical reactions, and represented by a chemical formula. Unlike mixtures, compounds cannot be separated by physical means. Key vocabulary includes element, a substance with one type of atom, mixture, which can be separated physically, and compound, which is chemically bonded. Groups are columns, periods are rows, reactants are starting materials, and products are what is made. In chemical reactions, bonds are broken, atoms are rearranged, and new bonds are formed. No atoms are created or destroyed. If products appear to have less mass, it's often due to a gas escaping the container, not mass loss from the universe. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is never lost in a chemical reaction. The total mass before and after a reaction must be identical, as atoms are simply rearranged. Balancing chemical equations ensures the conservation of mass, meaning the number of each type of atom is equal on both sides. You can only add coefficients, not change the subscript numbers within a formula. A pure substance contains only one type of element or compound, having sharp melting and boiling points, and cannot be separated physically. Impure substances, or mixtures, contain more than one type and are separable by physical changes. Separation techniques involve physical changes, where no chemical bonds are broken and substances remain unchanged. Key methods include chromatography, distillation, and crystallization. Chromatography separates mixtures based on the solubility of components. More soluble substances travel further up the paper. Ensure the starting line is drawn in pencil to avoid interference with results. Distillation separates liquids with different boiling points by evaporating and condensing the component with the lower boiling point. Crystallization separates a solute from a solvent by evaporating the solvent until crystals form. All matter is made of tiny atoms. The atom consists of subatomic particles, protons and neutrons located in the nucleus, and electrons orbiting in shells. Subatomic particles have distinct relative masses and charges. Protons have a mass of 1 and a charge of +1, neutrons a mass of 1 and no charge, and electrons negligible mass and a charge of -1. Every element is defined by its atomic number, the number of protons. The mass number is the total of protons and neutrons. In a neutral atom, the atomic number also equals the number of electrons. Key atomic structure terms include atom, nucleus, nanometer, proton, neutron, electron, atomic number, mass number, and subatomic, which refers to the smaller particles that make up an atom. Electron configuration describes how electrons fill energy levels. The inner shell fills first, holding a maximum of 2 electrons. Shells 2 and 3 can each hold up to 8 electrons, filling sequentially. For sodium, with 11 electrons, the configuration is 2, 8, 1. Shell 1 has 2, shell 2 has 8, and the remaining 1 electron goes into shell 3. This outer electron determines its chemical properties. Electron configuration links to the periodic table. The group number indicates outer shell electrons, while the period number shows the number of electron shells. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. A comparison of separation techniques. Chromatography separates based on solubility, distillation on different boiling points, and crystallization involves evaporating the solvent. All are physical changes, preserving chemical bonds. This video has summarized the C1 atomic structure unit, covering elements, compounds, mixtures, conservation of mass, separation techniques, atomic structure, and electron configuration. Use this information to review and reinforce your knowledge.